How to fix WhatsApp voice and audio message problem. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you some ways you can fix your problem. So let us get started. First of all, let's get started with updating your WhatsApp. Head over to your Play Store, then search for WhatsApp. If you see update here, tap on update, then update your app. Once done, open up your settings. Scroll below until you find the option of apps. Again, on the top right corner, search for WhatsApp. Tap onto your WhatsApp, scroll below, then tap on storage, then clear the cache. Once done, come back, then tap on force stop on the bottom right corner, then tap on OK. Once you do so, tap on permissions, and under here, tap on microphone. Make sure that you have allowed permission for microphone. You can toggle on allow only while using the app or ask every time. Once you do so, you have to again tap on the phone here and also toggle on allow. And again tap on music and audio. You have to allow permission for this as well. Once it's all done, this shall definitely fix your problem. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.